we've enjoyed it. The kids just absolutely love him. They've taken to him. They look forward to him coming. We look forward to him coming to see what we're going to do that day.
They're definitely connecting the music. I can just play the first 2 notes of Listen to the Teacher song, and they can take it from there.
This was the first time we did outside. It's a different environment for them, so I think they did really well with it.
The kids are a lot more engaged when it comes to using songs and different things in the carpet time to get them interacting with different rhythms and beats.
The approach is, really is being on that level. The teachers are here, the kids are here. They're excited to be around a teaching artist, who wants to share with them some little nuggets, some songs that they take with them, throughout their whole life. And they'll say, hey, remember that. But at the same time, it reinforces the teachers who are doing the hard work every day with these kids.
It's a different way to tell a story. And rather than just show them a book with pictures, this way they actually, they get to live it.
To see it actually play out with our 4- and 5-year-olds is great, to know that we can do that with the curriculum that we have.
I've enjoyed it. They already have an advantage going into next year.
It's been a great program. Hope we get to do it again.
And hopefully get some architects and some doctors and some musicians out of that, That's the joy of it.